Hey folks, Dan with Sundollar Energy. We just finished another battery backup system. So this is a 12 kilowatt solar array. It's a 20 kilowatt hour battery bank, and it's using the SMA Sunny Islands and the Sunny Boy inverters. Take a look. All right, so here we are at the Sunny Island inverters. We've got two Sunny Island 6,000 watt inverters. These are the battery inverters. All the power flows through those inverters. Over here we've got the solar inverters producing the AC power. Got two SMA Sunny Boy 6,000 watt inverters. The guys are getting to be pros at these jobs now. They did a really good job. We kind of put it in a cabinet. We got a battery box here, and the battery box is a little bit larger so that if they ever want to add a second string, they can do that. We've got sealed AGM batteries. It's 20 kilowatt hours of storage. Take a peek there. So it was a really fun job, and we're gonna let Regina do the honors and turn us off grid, and then we'll see what happens. Regina, please. So all you do is you click the top breaker on. That's the original. And
Ready?
and down. Oh my gosh, the AC is still running.
Absolutely nothing.
Nothing happened, right?
Excellent.
No lights flickered. The AC is still running. Congratulations, you're off the grid right now.
Damn.